Oh, hi friends, I was just writing in my blog. I'm going to share what I wrote with you. So, I have been writing in my own blog post and I've left a couple comments that I'd like to share. So here's my blog post. No one, I mean no one, at all likes Cappy Smith. Cappy Smith stinks. I heard that he has fleas. All he does is bark, bark, bark all day long. He is so annoying. He makes me mad, too. Every day he barks at the mailman. What did the mailman do to him? I think he just wants to be heard. Sometimes he will even eat food off the floor. How gross. He doesn't even have friends. No one ever calls him on the phone. Probably because he would just bark at them. No one wants to be barked at, especially me. That is why I don't like him. He acts like an animal. Seriously? So then, since that's how I feel about Cappy, I went to his blog and I left a couple comments. So, on Cappy's post, it says, all about Cappy. Who cares all about Cappy anyways? Woof. Of course, he starts his blog out by barking. My name is Cappy. My human is a teacher. Blah, blah, blah. So I told him how I felt about that. No one cares. I don't want to be your friend. It's true, so I put it. Then I went to his next blog post where he said, best day ever. Like he could have a good day. He probably took a nap. You stink! You have fleas, Cappy! So now everyone knows that Cappy stinks and Cappy has fleas. Alright, let's take a minute here. What's going on? The truth is, I really like Cappy a lot. And he's my favorite pet in the whole world. And I would never write something that mean on his blog because we're really good friends. And even if we weren't good friends, I wouldn't write that anyways. And that's why today we learned about digital citizenship. So we looked up what the word digital means and what the word citizenship means. And some of your classmates that were able to come to the session found those definitions. And we talked about digital citizenship means being a nice, good person when you're online. And since we are in a virtual school, we're going to meet with each other in collaborate sessions. We are going to write on each other's blogs. We have the chat box in our sessions and many different ways that we really mostly interact with each other on the computer. So we need to be very, very mindful of how we talk to others. So there are many parts of digital citizenship, but today we just focused on two. We focused on stand against cyberbullying, and maintain. Maintain your privacy. Do not share personal information and other private information. So what Miss Smith was giving an example of today is she was kind of being a cyberbully. And we talked about how that would really hurt Cappy's feelings. Maybe Cappy wouldn't want to write in his blog anymore because he would be afraid of what people would say. And it might also just make him really sad or not want to come to class. So we need to make sure that not only are we not bullying other people, but we stand up for other people and we let an adult know if they're being bullied as well. Another rule that Miss Smith broke was she didn't maintain Cappy's privacy. Alright, so we practiced leaving Cappy a kind comment, and Miss Smith put Cappy Smith. She put his first and last name in that. So she broke the two rules we talked about today. She was a bully, and she didn't maintain Cappy's privacy. The good thing is this was just a pretend post. I didn't really put anything that mean about Cappy, but I want to make sure that you learn the lesson and understand how hurtful it can be. I can see all of your posts. I'm not going to approve anything unless I see that everything you've put is nice and respectful and responsible, but it's important that we know how to be good digital citizens. So hopefully you've taken something from today's lesson, and I encourage you to go look at a blog and leave kind, uplifting comments to our friends and practice good digital citizenship. Bye, my friends.